Hello and welcome to room 2809 on the 28th floor at the Conrad, New York, Midtown.
Okay, before I continue with this video, this hotel has been renamed. It's called the Luxury Collection Hotel Manhattan Midtown, and it's operated by Marriott now.
So as you enter the room, close the door. On the left-hand side here is where you can take off your shoes, maybe relax if you're walking around a lot. Oy. Oh, wait, you want the tour. All right, let's continue with the tour. So on the right-hand side, where we venture a little bit more in to the room, is where you can find this cabinet. On the top is the fridge with the drinks. Make sure not to grab any of those because that will rack up a bill very quick. And then on the bottom here is your coffee maker, your tea, coffee, and also the free waters. This is all complimentary right here. But however, the snacks are not, so make sure not to grab those. And then let's venture a little bit more around this room. On the left-hand side of the room, there's this big couch, which is very nice, very comfortable. And then let's venture around the perimeter of the room. Also, kind of on the left-hand side, when you pass the couch, is the sitting area. And as you can tell, we went to Harry Potter World. I think it's Harry Potter World. It's the store that they have here in New York. Big Harry Potter fan. So then we have a TV here. And then we venture into the room area. Let's keep the room to the end of the video. Let's venture ourselves through this little walk-in closet thing here. Then over here, on kind of like the left-hand side-ish, we can find the safe. This is one of those lift safes, so you lift it to actually open it. Right now it's closed, but and then you can find an umbrella here. There's also an ironing board over here. This is where you will find like your hangers and stuff like that. So pretty nice closet. And then going a little bit more forward and to the left here, here is the bathroom. So on your right is the shower. Nice walk-in shower.
Quick tip, before you take a shower, I would strongly suggest that you put down more towels than needed because for some reason, despite you closing the door, the shower water still gets out.
With a handheld shower nozzle. That's actually a pretty small one, but it's pretty heavy actually. On the left-hand side here, we have the vanity with one sink. And then venturing more forward, on the right-hand side, we have this little area that you can put stuff, and then all of the towels are underneath. So they give you a nice amount of towels. Then we venture more forward. On the left-hand side, you can find the robe. Very, very comfortable robe. Very nice. And then on the right-hand side, last but not least, is the toilet. Now, let's venture to the room. So in the room here, we have a big king-size bed with two nightstands on each side. Well, one nightstand on each side. And we have a TV area, which is very, very nice. And last but not least, let's take a look at the view. It's a view of parts of New York City, some buildings, stuff like that. Now, in terms of booking this room, I would say save your points for a different booking. It's a really good use of your free night certificate that you get from the Hilton Aspire card.
So I took a quick look, and the basic rooms range from 70 to 90K points per night. So the only free night certificates that will work are the ones that come on the Chase Ritz card or the Amex Brilliant card. However, if you're not planning to use your free night certificate here, watch on. Everything else I say still applies.
If you can't use the free night certificates, sometimes this room is pretty inexpensive. So maybe book it on money or with a free night certificate. And that's what I would suggest. However, this is a great area to stay. It's very quiet and you're basically in the center of everything. By the way, I forgot to tell you that these are double doors. So if you want some privacy, you can slam the door in your friend's face.